I know the people want them, so I gotta make them, because the people tired of me making kale and cabbage. Y'all tired. Y'all want greens. I just don't. I don't like them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bean with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're going to be making some vegan collard greens. Let's get started. Okay y'all, again, it's one of those recipes I don't remember if I made them. I feel like I did on this channel, but again, I got new subscribers every day, so we're going to run it back. Now, if I did do this video already, y'all know I'm not a fan of collard greens. They're not my jam, but this time I finally got them right how I like them, okay? It's not traditional, but it's how I like them. It's how I'm gonna be making them from now on when I'm making collard greens. Now this is my second attempt at this recipe now, y'all, like as in this week. First time I used a real bag of collard greens and it took forever and never got tender. I seasoned it up real good. I even put in some baking soda. I had a friend over who brought his mother, okay? She helped me out, and it wasn't right, okay? It was not right.
The texture of it, yeah, we're used to the collard greens being a little tender.
Okay, watch me now.
Okay, I'm listening.
Wait, it might be a clump in here.
Okay. Let me see how much you got in there now. Okay. Alright, just a little bit more. You see how it's bubbling? Okay, let's leave that alone.
Okay.
And let's do that.
And stir it up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where you get that from? Old school triple OG?
Went back to my client's house and I did it again, but this time I used a bag of collard greens because it was just way easier. Just wash it and go instead of chopping it up and even pieces, all that good stuff. So let's get it started. I've done a lot of talking. Let's get the video started. Alright guys, so we're gonna make collard greens for New Year's Eve. I know it's a tradition to make collard greens and black eyed peas. Collard greens for money, black eyed peas for coin. I'm gonna take 2 of these 16-ounce bags of collard greens and we're gonna wash them. We're washing.
We can do a voiceover.
Yeah.
You can say like we're washing.
Okay, alright, we're gonna cut up a purple onion. It's okay, I can cut it off. He can talk. This is the boring part.
Then you're gonna have to do a voiceover. I didn't do a voiceover.
Yeah, I can do a voiceover. You can say hi guys if you want to. She's like,
Hi
no.
guys.
Oh. Hi guys. We're just gonna, I do not like real garlic. I like getting the one that's already open because it takes so long. But this is what I already had in my fridge. I like doing it. I hate doing it.
I love doing it.
Well, you do it with your hands. Let me make sure just your hands are in there. Yep, perfect.
I'm taking over.
All right, guys, we're gonna start off by boiling just enough water to not burn the pan. I'm gonna add in about half of that purple onion that we cut up, and then we're gonna start layering on our greens. I'm doing this in layers so everything is seasoned, and then we're going to stir. Now I'm adding in a veggie bouillon cube. I'll put the picture of what I used on the screen. Next, we're going to take some cayenne pepper. Now I added a little too much, y'all. Y'all see how I went around that pot twice? I should have went just one time. I'm loving this Bragg's 24 herb seasoning. I just discovered it, but I've been using it on everything, okay? So I added some of that. Be For Real put me onto this complete seasoning by Bada. Also been putting it on everything, all right? Now we're gonna go in with some smoked paprika, going around the pan. Yeah, just, there's no measurements, y'all. If I have to say anything, it's gonna be maybe a tablespoon each. Now, y'all know I don't do anything without Crazy Jane's mixed up seasoning, so I'm adding that as well, going around. I'm just there. The ancestors just told me to stop. I don't know what to tell y'all. Now I'm putting in the rest of that purple onion on another layer. Then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of that crushed garlic that Olivia thankfully peeled for me. Then I'm going to mix, okay, just to make sure everything is incorporated. Now we're gonna add some more greens into the party, and we're gonna do everything all over again, minus the cayenne. And now I'm gonna add in some agave, so it's not too spicy. But you guys are gonna see at the end that I did say it was too spicy for most. It was perfect for me, but too spicy in general. Like, it did have a nice little kick to it. So again, we're going in and we're putting in all those seasonings all over again, except for the cayenne pepper, okay? Next, to get that fatty feel that you would get from meat, my family uses ham hocks in their greens. I'm gonna put in a dash of grapeseed oil. You don't have to, it just kind of gives that, oh, there was some meat in here before. Next, you're gonna take some veggie broth and you're gonna put that right below where the greens stop. Like, you should be able to poke your spoon and see the veggie broth, but not above the greens, because this is going to cook down. Next, I'm adding in the rest of that onion, just a little bit more, and then we're gonna stir and cover. So I just put the pot on low. We're gonna cover for about 20 minutes and then we'll come back and check, stir again, check. It's gonna be a process. Collard greens take a long time. That's why this is round number 2. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check on the collards.
Okay, there we go. We have our, I don't know what they're called. Okay, and just mixing it up right now.
Yeah, I'm just mixing it up. I wonder if it needs more flavor. I'm gonna give it a little try. It's not done, but see if we need any more seasonings. All right, let's try it. I burn myself every video. Fire. Okay, here we go.
Fire. Is it good, Aaron?
It is good. It's a little spicy. I think I added way too much cayenne, but the flavor is really good. I don't know if I need to add a little liquid smoke or not, you guys. Just give that like kind of a meat taste. I think I'm gonna add like 2 drops. No, do I wanna? Here, I'm gonna let Olivia smell it and see if she needs to, if she thinks we need to add this like flavor. Oh, I got it on my lip.
Yeah, I think
A couple of drops, okay. All right, so turn back. We're gonna do 1, 2, just a couple of dashes, and then I'll mix that up.
Mix and mix.
And then we'll let it sit for another 20 minutes. Actually, those 2 bags went down really low. I didn't even eat this big old pot, but it's okay. All right, so we're gonna let that, let me put it kind of in the water. And then we're gonna cover for another 20 minutes.
Another 20 minutes, guys. Set your timers.
Wow. Yeah.
Hey.
Sorry guys, I had left out some collards. So I'm just gonna add these to the pot as well. There's enough liquid in here already, so no need to add any more. But this was kind of what was still left in the sink when I washed it, so I just want to get the rest of that in there. Let me stir it again. I'm not gonna add any more garlic though, because I really like the flavor. But we do have more minced garlic. What happened? But that's gonna need a little bit more time, obviously, because I just added some more. But yeah, these smell really good. Sure.
And we're closing the lid.
All right, guys, it's been another 20 minutes.
Let's see what's in
See
there.
what we got here. Ooh, that pot was hot. Okay. See, they seem tender to me, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to, I guess, taste another one to see if it's tender.
Let's see if we burn our fingers again.
Right.
Let's see, what do you think, Aaron?
I like them. I think they're done. So maybe the real collard greens take a long time, y'all. I think these are done. These are really, really tender. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them off and let them keep cooking on residual heat. So I just cut it off. I'm gonna put the top back on, but I do believe these are, yeah, they're super tender. I think they're done. I like the taste, a little spicy. So again, go down on your cayenne pepper. But besides that, these are really good.
You just dropped some. Look at the mess you made.
Okay.
No. Oh, no.
All right, guys, this is super cringe, but this is me filming a thumbnail for Instagram. But I realized I forgot to take the video of me saying how good these were. Like, y'all, again, I love greens now. I just realized I did not like the vinegar. Like, I tore this up. I'm still eating leftovers right now. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Also, guys, happy holidays.